Sanvi from VLS International School, and they have brought us to Manipal Open House, and I'm really excited. They have introduced there are face painting and different kind of workshop. So I think it's going to help us to, even we are organizing open house, so I think it's going to inspire us a lot, and I'm hoping I'm going to have a great experience here. Thanks so much.
We are from Maruti Vidya Mandira School, Kannamangala.
Okay.
So we are here to explore the stalls.
And the campus and want to know more. So what would you like to take up in future studies?
I want to take up with NEET. I should study MBBS.
Oh, that's great. All the best. Have a great day. Thank you. What are your expectations, ma'am, for the day?
I would like to know what all courses are available and how the campus is in general, the facilities.
Okay.
So that's why I brought my son and daughter along. So she's in grade 12 and he's in grade 9. So right there.
I'm interested in certain like design art courses.
That's cool.
Yeah, and I've heard that Shrishti is very good for all that.
We're expecting around 4,000 plus people today. So a lot of fun, a lot of activities, and a lot of interesting insights on career choices for children and for kids. I'm really expecting a lot of parents to show up as well. And it's a really gala atmosphere in MAHE Bengaluru.